But if you need to take it apart, it is a 5/16 inch Allen wrench, and it comes apart like so. And this one has some axle grease in it, but you can see the seal inside there. To get that out, you push it out the backside. To put it back on, make sure that the short one is up to the top. And these 4 bolts go in. Get replaced back in there. Love my impact driver. Seal, ceramic side towards the ceramic side. Be very careful when you put this on. I kind of like to get them warm before I put them on. This one's cold this morning, so it went on really hard. There's a little washer that comes with that. I'll get rid of that because it's really hard to get everything to line up correctly. This spins on to an extent until it gets fairly tight, then it might start turning back here. Again, a screwdriver through the motor housing will take care of that. Turn it on hand tight. You turn it on a lot tighter than that, it gets harder to get off. If you don't turn it on far enough, it can spin off once you get everything put back together, or once you stop the motor and it jams it tight up against the housing. Not something that we've like to see happen, because then it doesn't want to start up again. So 4 bolts go back into the face. Get all of them in before they get all of them tight. And that's an 1.5 Sureflow.